New details tonight in the sex trafficking case involving a teenage girl from Los Osos. Richard Brooks is charged with raping her after she responded to his ad on Craigslist last year. Amanda Starrantino is at the San Luis Obispo County Courthouse for us tonight. You were in court today. What happened, Amanda?
Well, Jeanette, Miss Doe, as she's called in court, explained her encounters with 40-year-old Brooks. And while she recalled all of this, of what they did back in July of 2014, the 18-year-old remained very calm and stoic while on the stand. And the jury, well, they had to witness videos that were allegedly Doe and Brooks having sex. And while they were watching those videos today in court, Doe and Brooks were in the courtroom with them. And the public, including myself, could only hear the audio on those tapes. And Doe testified that she felt threatened for her safety because Brooks told her if she didn't do what he says that she would not be happy with the end result. She explained to the jury how they had sex more than 10 times and oral sex more than 5 times. However, she says there was never any kissing or cuddling between the two of them. And while questioned by Brooks's defense attorney, Doe explained how she urged Brooks to leave her home and drove him to a motel in Morro Bay. The next day, she says Cayucas firefighter Oscar Higueros came to her house. He is facing charges in a separate trial. And according to Doe's testimony, she said that she did originally tell Brooks that she was 18 years old. However, she says when she first picked him up and met him face to face, he did find her ID in the car. She says that's when he did learn that she was 17 years old. Also, she says that Brooks did play child pornography 24/7 while he was staying at her home in Los Osos. And she explained further that Brooks used her mother's sex toys on her while he was staying at their home in Los Osos. And she says that Brooks gave her enough alcohol to the point where she passed out. And she says when she woke up that Brooks played videos of what he did to her while she was unconscious. In court today, we also heard from 2 detectives on the investigation and arrested Brooks. Back to you.
Disturbing case. Thank you, Amanda. This trial does resume tomorrow.